Hi guys, welcome back to Posmea. Today I'm going to introduce you a smartphone which is way better than a smartphone. And if you're a person who's struggling with your inventory, struggling with your billing system and all, you are in the right place. So without any further ado, let's start. And this is the star of the day, Zebra EM45 RFID. So the device is so pocket friendly that you won't feel that you are carrying a mobile computer with you. It's just like a smartphone which you are carrying it all around. Don't let the compact size fool you. With IP65 sealing and ruggedizing casing, the EM45 handles dust, spills, and repeated 4 food drops to concrete. It is built to thrive in harsh warehouse environments. And the core value of this device is the unparalleled RFID performance. It can process hundreds of RFID tags simultaneously, reducing the inventory time from hours to minutes. Achieve industry-leading read accuracy at distances up to 20 feet. More critically, the EM45 uses intelligent algorithms to accurately identify tags even when they are densely packed or obscured by non-metallic objects. The EM45 is powered by Zebra's world-class ecosystem, integrating seamlessly with your existing WMS and secured by the robust Mobility DNA software suite. It's a total solution. So ready to take your operations to the next level? Just click the link below and you will get contacted by us.